Hey, hello, what's up? DBA Hack in the house, and today we're gonna talk about how to install Informix in your PC or your laptop, whatever. So, yesterday we've uploaded a video about how to download WordPress 5.8.2 in your PC or into your PC. And today, as I told you, and as you can see in the title, I'm gonna show you how to install WordPress in your local. But first, if you like the content, guys, please subscribe in the channel by clicking in this red button, subscribe, and activate the notification for all to get all my next videos notification. And as you can see, here is our website, dbahack.com. So guys, let's start and let's begin. Okay, so we're gonna go to download folder. Where is it? Download folder. And our WordPress that we downloaded yesterday, here is it, and I'll extract here the files, extract here, and then I'm gonna wait just a few seconds. Yeah, hurry up, please. Okay, here we are, and as you can see, this is the folder WordPress, and this is the file and folder that we're gonna use in the next few videos, inshallah. Okay, so oh my god, my laptop is crushed. Whatever, I'm gonna copy this folder, Ctrl X in Windows, and I'll go to this PC. Then I'll go to wamp 64. By the way, I'm gonna use in all the next video wamp server. If you want to download wamp server, just go to google.com and write wamp server, the first link and official website for the software. And as you can see, wampserver.com English, and go to download, scroll down and click on this yellow button if you have 64 bytes, and if you have 32 bytes, click on this yellow button. Okay, so as I told you, I'll go to our server folder, and then 3w. Then I'll put our WordPress folder here by using Ctrl V or the right click in your mouse. Okay, here we are. This is our folder WordPress, and now I'll go to start and look for wamp server, or go to research. It's the same. Then click yes. Okay. As you can see here, we have the wamp server, local server, none of three services running yet. I'll wait just a few seconds or maybe a few minutes, whatever. Wait. Okay, 2 hours later. Okay, maybe I can add this 2 hours later in the video just to have fun. And then it's yellow, that means he's on the start, and yeah, green. Okay, so now green, it means that all the three services are running, MySQL, Apache, and others. Okay, so I'll put here localhost, as you can see. Okay, our server is start perfectly. Okay, so I'll click on PHP my admin because we have to create a database. Okay, the username is root, password is empty, server choice MySQL. You can choose MariaDB. I'm gonna choose MySQL. Okay, and click on go. Wait, and here we are, the database, and we're gonna create a database. Let's use, for example, first underscore WP. First WP, it's just an abbreviation of WordPress. Okay, first WP, this is the database that we're gonna use on our WordPress. I'll let this choice default, Latin 1, Swedish C. You can use curl PHP or whatever you want. And I'll click on create. And as you can see here, this is our database. Okay, so now I'll go to localhost / WordPress, the folder that we have here, localhost / WordPress, and just wait a little bit. Okay, by waiting, guys, I hope you like this video and this video, and subscribe on the channel, and please activate the notification to get all the notification about the next videos, guys. Okay, so as you can see here, let me zoom out. Yeah, 80%. And as you can see here is the logo of WordPress, and that's the language, and we're gonna use English as our language. Continue. And he told you what you need to install and to run installation locally. Welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. You will need to know the following items before proceeding. The database name, you should create it and remember the name that you use. The database username, you should know it. In our example, it is root, and the database password, we have no password, so it's empty. The database host says localhost. The table prefix, if you want to run more than one WordPress in a single database. In our example, we have WP underscore. Okay, here we are. The database, if you still remember, is first underscore WP. The username is root as yours. The password is empty as yours too. Localhost is the database host, and WP is the table prefix. Okay, click on submit, and then click on run the installation. Okay, he told us here to give it some information about the site title. For example, I'll give it here like DBA hack, just an example. The username admin, I love to use admin. The password to admin. I know it's very weak because it's just locally. If you for example wanna start a WordPress or a WordPress website, sorry, using a server like Bluehost or Namecheap or whatever, you should get a strong password to not someone come to hack you or something like that, you know what I mean. Okay, so confirm use of a weak password, whatever. And then the email, I'm just like admin@admin.com, for example. It's just an example. And Discord search engine from indexing this site. I'm not gonna use the Google or something to index my website. I'll let it just and check it. Okay, install WordPress now. Don't save, please. I'll wait. Okay, and everything is complete successfully, as you can see. Okay, now login, and our user is admin and password is admin. Login now. Don't save, please. And here we are. Okay, so this is the dashboard. As you can see, dashboard, home, update, posts, media, page, comment, appearance, plugin, users, tools, setting, and collapse the menu just to be hidden, as you can see. So I'll visit the website, and this is our default website. So yeah, in the next video, inshallah, we're gonna develop our specific website and theme. We're gonna have like a specific theme using our skills of development. Okay, so yeah, this is the second video in this channel. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please click on the like button. And if you have any question or something, please let us know in the comment below. And what else? Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification, the button notification, to get all the notification about the next videos, inshallah. Okay, guys, so I have to say, be a hack in the house and peace, and yeah, goodbye.